Makeup artists, if you are building your kit, it is absolutely essential that you get a barrier cream. The most affordable, accessible option that you can add to your kit is the Aquaphor. So, yes, this is the Aquaphor lip repair, but I use this as a barrier cream on the skin. The reason why this works so well is that it acts as a second skin. You can almost think of it as a liquid band aid, especially over skin that's irritated. It works well on skin that is thin and dry. It locks moisture in. So it just makes it easier for you to apply makeup over top. This is why that hack where you apply Aquaphor under the eyes works so well, because if the eyes are thin or they're not hydrated, the makeup's not going to stick on the skin that well. So this is the solution for that. If you've got an area of redness, so really dry around the nose, maybe some eczema, maybe some rosacea, you can scrape some of this off onto your palette and just apply a very thin layer. Let that set, and then you can apply your makeup over top. Try not to buff over this product. If you're working with sensitive skin anyway, you don't want to be buffing. Press the makeup on over top. This is a great product to add. It just makes application over skin that's really dry, irritated, flaking so much easier.